what these fucking guys did today. They still have a bit of, quite a bit of work to do. Hey Joe, if you see this, how many crystals do you think are in that? Huh? I'll show you some other rocks later, Joe. But look at that line, man. It is so fucking straight. Obviously, there's a few things that aren't straight, but when the job is done, it's gonna be fucking perfect. These guys are amazing. Their boss was just yelling at them. I don't know why. It has nothing to do with our job. I can tell you that much, because our job is coming out fucking perfect. Let's go.